3 Rules for a Happy Life. In the heart of a bustling kingdom, there lived a man named Jeevan. He was neither rich nor powerful, and his home was a simple hut by the river. Yet Jeevan was known far and wide, not for wealth, but for his unshakable happiness. No matter the season, no matter the hardship, Jeevan would wake up with a bright smile, laugh heartily, and greet the day as if it were a celebration. The baker, the farmer, the merchant, everyone wondered, how could a man with so little always be so happy? One day the king himself heard of Jeevan and grew curious. He summoned him to the palace. Jeevan arrived, cheerful as ever. The king, seated on his jeweled throne, asked, "Jeevan, I have gold palaces, fine food, and countless servants. Yet my heart is troubled. You have none of these things, yet you are always happy. Tell me your secret." Jeevan laughed and replied, "Your Majesty, happiness is not found in gold or palaces. It is a choice, a way of living." The king frowned. "That sounds too simple. Surely you must have some hidden treasure." Jeevan shook his head. "I do, but it is not gold. I have 3 rules for happiness: appreciate, accept, and give." The king leaned forward. Jeevan explained, "I appreciate everything: the warmth of the sun, the beauty of the river, the kindness of a stranger. Even a small meal is a feast when eaten with joy. I accept that life brings both good and bad. When trouble comes, I don't resist it. I welcome it like a guest and learn from it. And most importantly, I give my smile, my time, my kindness. When I help someone, my heart grows lighter." The king thought deeply about Jeevan's words. He decided to try them. Slowly he began appreciating the little things: a breeze in the garden, a song from a bird. He stopped worrying about problems and accepted life as it was. He gave gifts, not of gold, but of time and kindness. Soon something remarkable happened. The king felt lighter, happier. Jeevan's wisdom spread through the kingdom, and everywhere people smiled a little more, laughed a little louder, and chose happiness, just like the laughing man by the river. What did we learn from Jeevan? True happiness doesn't come from riches. It comes from how we live. Appreciate the little things. Accept life's ups and downs. Give with an open heart. Let joy be your daily choice, just like Jeevan. But there's something else that often steals our happiness, something many of us carry without even realizing. You'll see what I mean in the next story. It's right there. Click the video on your screen. Take care.